Today we are talking about planting up our summer baskets. On this occasion I'm using a peat-free compost from Melcourt, but you can use any multi-purpose compost that you choose. We would advise using the time-release fertiliser, which will feed it through the whole season, and some water retention granules, which would help aid the moisture levels of the basket. On the composition of the basket, I am using a geranium as my main feature, which is my thriller. I'm going to place some spillers across the edge, and there's a verbena, a lobelia, some evergreen, ivy and a flowering petunia. In the gaps that are left, I'm going to use some busy lizzies. I have made one previous to this, and that's what I've come up with.